What do you
We're
reckon?
going to use this rock right here so nothing bad happens.
Yeah.
We don't want the bike to get away from us.
No, that's true, yeah.
Because we are going to be spinning the rear wheel without moving the bike.
Yeah.
So we're probably going to have some RPMs up, so we're going to start it off in second gear.
Second gear, all right. So shall I start it? Here we go. Right, well, let's...
Okay, so you still want to hold the front brake
got it.
firmly.
Yeah. There we are.
So you have control. Bring the R's up good and high, let that clutch out, weight off of the seat so the tire can break free. Hit it. There you go.